Okay guys, today here I just show how we can design this type of pop-up menu in our WordPress website header. So this pop-up we designed by Elementor Pro. So if you don't have the Elementor Pro plugin, then you just buy here. This is the Elementor official website, so you can buy it easily. So now I just go our WordPress admin area, and here I already go the WordPress template, then pop-up version. I already created one pop-up, so just I will delete this pop-up template and create again, and you need to just click add new pop-up button, and you just select pop-up template, and here you put your pop-up name. So I just put the pop-up menu, then click create template. So it will going few seconds to show the editing panel, so just wait. And yeah, if you used Elementor Pro plugin, so at first you can see some template pre-designed. So if you like any template, you can just select and insert the button, it's automatically inserted. And also we want to create from scratch, so that's why I just close this icon, and here our pop-up dashboard. So at first you need to click the left side bottom, the setting icon, and we just select the position. The position will be left horizontally, and vertically will be top, it's perfect. And the height will be fit to screen. Then I will click this plus icon and choose the flex box and select first container. And this container, at first I will put some padding, so just at first I will unlink this padding, then I will put 20 in the top, and bottom will be 20. And also the right side will be 10, and the left side will be 10 pixel. Yeah, that's okay. So now I just put at first our website logo, so I will drag the image, then I just click choose image, then I will select our existing logo, then click select. And this logo I just some resize, then this alignment, also the left side. Then I again click the cube icon, then go scroll down, or you can search WordPress menu option, then you just select and drag here. And here this is our WordPress page, so I just click the layout also vertically, then the pointer I will select none, and go just styling option, and I will select the typography size. Also the typography size I will add some custom size, so that's why the size will be 25, and transform will be uppercase, and the letter spacing 1 pixel. Then go scroll down, and here the hover option and active color also the dark blue. Then again I will click cube icon, then I will add some dummy text, so I just add some text, so just select and drag here. Then I will drag the social link, and here I will add some extra icon like Instagram. Then go scroll down, and here you can see the alignment. I will add the alignment left side, and go styling option, use coloring in the custom. Then the background color will be dark blue, and the icon color will be white, and the social icon size will be 25, it's perfect. Then the border radius, the 100%, I think 20 will be good. Yeah, this is the good. And I will add some border type will be solid, and the percent around 2 pixel, and the color dark blue. Okay, go scroll down, and here the icon hover. When you hover this social icon, how the looks, so I just remove the background, and the color will be dark blue, and border type dark blue. Okay, yeah, that's the look. Then I will again click the cube icon, put some call to action button, that's why I will drag the button and add some text like call for today. Then go just styling option, and the alignment will be left, the background color dark blue, and text color will be white. And I will add some typography like this, and add some custom size, the width will be 600, and the size 18 pixel, and transform will be uppercase. Okay, perfect. Then go scroll down. Here you can see the border radius will be 0 and border type solid, and pixel will be 2 pixel, the border type color dark blue. Then you just add some height in your container. So at first you change the percentage, like I will add VH vertical height and I will add 100. Okay, then you click the justify content in a center. Perfect. And then again you just go the setting in the left bottom. Then here you can see the width, so I will add like 400. Then you just go the styling option, and here you can see the close button and click the background color will be dark blue and close icon will be white color, and the size I think 22 pixel. Also you need to add a animation, so at first I will add intense animation. So I want the pop-up coming from left side and also closing the left side. Then you just update, then next and next, then click save and close. Okay, our pop-up menu it's ready. So just go again your website, and here the template option, you just hover and click the theme builder option and just go to your header part and click edit. Okay, this is our header part designing panel. So I again delete this icon and search in editing panel icon and drag here and select the icon. Okay, this icon I like it, so that's why I just select and insert and go styling option and the color dark blue and the size 25. Yeah, perfect. And click the content option, and here you can see the link option. So just click the dynamic tag and go scroll down, you can see the pop-up option, and again select, then click, and here you can click this all option, then search your pop-up template. Yes, this is our pop-up template. Click here and then click update. So now I am just refresh the page and click the icon. Yeah, our beautiful header is almost done. Okay, if you have any question in this video, just comment in the box. I will try to help very quickly. And yeah, subscribe the channel and follow my videos. See you in the next time.